Okay, first and foremost, this is actually a really neat opportunity for us. We're here in RIVA Racing's R&D facility. We can't show you everything, so some stuff's been blocked out. It's kind of their skunk works, but this is where all the really cool parts are developed and built. And we're here with Dave Ambus, and he's going to walk us through their 2018 Sea-Doo RXT-X 300 with their Stage 3 kit. Now, we got to ride this earlier today. It was awesome. It knocked our socks off. It took a ski that we already really liked and made it insane. So tell me what a Stage 3 kit is.
Well, Stage 3 kit is just 9 parts, Kevin.
Okay.
And they're very easy to bolt on. Average guy can do it in his garage with a basic set of tools in a day's time.
No kidding.
In a good day's time.
Okay.
And the results are absolutely amazing.
Yeah, they are.
83 miles per hour, incredible acceleration, and rock solid dependability.
Awesome, that's fantastic. All right, so you're saying 9 parts, and everything was made by you guys here, right?
Pretty much. The pump impeller is made by SCATRAC. Some of the other components are sourced elsewhere, but pretty much they're mostly RIVA Racing components.
You guys always work with the best guys in the industry, so we know it's been tried and true here.
Let's take a walk through the ski and I'll show you around.
Fantastic, let's do it.
So this is our Stage 3 kit for the 2018 RXT-X 300. Very simple, 9 parts, starting with the RIVA air intake system, which is our power filter. The power filter takes cool air from the front of the ski where your stock engine vents are. The hull vents are up in the front of the ski, so you have a lot of cool air up in the front of the hull. And it channels it back to your supercharger. The supercharger has been upgraded with our XX charger kit. The XX charger produces about an extra 2 psi of boost pressure, but the linear boost pressure it's 2 pounds throughout the power band, so the acceleration is incredible with the supercharger upgrade. Under the only internal engine modification that we've done with this kit is the valve retainers have been upgraded with our RIVA titanium valve retainers. This allows us to rev at a higher RPM safely without floating any valves. Most important modification under this hood is the reflashing of the OEM ECU. So the ECU, or the engine control unit, controls all the functionality of the engine. And we've gotten in there and we've reprogrammed it using the RIVA Map Tuner X reprogramming system. That allows us to put a new map in there. We can increase the rev limit, we can optimize the fuel, and we also optimize the timing, which matches perfectly with our Stage 3 modifications. Moving back to the exhaust, the water box is stock, so the engine is nice and quiet when you're on the water, but we have replaced the restrictive sound suppression system with our RIVA free flow exhaust system. The free flow exhaust system goes directly from, it's an aluminum tube basically, that goes directly from your water box to your factory exhaust outlet. It increases sound a little bit, it's a nice exhaust note, sounds tough on the water. Also under the hood, this is not really part of our Stage 3 kit, but we've upgraded the intercooler tubes with our heavy duty silicone hoses. This is more of a reliability thing that people are doing even on their stock watercraft. We've also equipped this unit with our RIVA engine breather catch can. The engine breather catch can takes any hot engine vapors that are normally channeled into your air intake system and puts them into a separate canister so they don't retard the performance of the engine. That's pretty much it under the hood, except for the intake manifold upgrade kit, which basically is a part that we make that allows you to remove the restrictive air filter system inside your intake manifold, and it puts a billet aluminum cap on there. It increases boost pressure by about 1 psi. With this extra horsepower, we need to change the pump impeller. So we've equipped this ski with a SCATRAC 3-blade stainless steel impeller, which is perfectly calibrated for this engine package.
Well, that's awesome. I'm super impressed, and obviously having been out in the water today and test riding it, all your claims are complete and total true, because man, that thing was clicking off 82, 83 miles an hour even with me on it. So I know this thing will really perform, especially with a guy who's really fit and trim and ready to rock. So I gotta ask, I mean, I know the new Sea-Doos are already moving out of dealerships. When can someone go to rivaracing.com and pick up everything?
Well, most of the components for this kit are available right now, but I would say the complete Stage 3 kit should be shipping by mid-April 2018.
Okay, that's fantastic. Well, I think that's all we need here. Obviously, we can't show you everything, so we're gonna just end it with this. But thanks again, Dave. I really appreciate you showing us around.
Thanks for coming out and testing the ski today, Kevin.
Oh, my absolute pleasure. Anytime you need a crash test dummy, call me up.
You got it.
Thank you.
I'm Kevin Shaw, and you've been watching Long Haul. Make sure to check us out Monday through Friday at watercraftjournal.com. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a single episode of Long Haul.